How to fix cannot display this video mode optimum resolution error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix cannot display this video mode optimum resolution error. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to head over to your search, and from here you need to go ahead and search for device manager. Now that you're in the device manager, you need to simply go ahead and expand display adapters. From here, you need to simply go ahead and choose the adapters that you're using, and then you need to right click on it and click on update driver. Then you can choose whether you want to search automatically for drivers or you can browse my computer for drivers, and once you have done that, you need to click on next. As you can see that Windows has determined that best driver for this device is already installed. Once it's done, you need to click on close. Now, once you have done that, you need to right click on your desktop, and from here you need to go ahead and click on display settings. Now that you're here, you need to simply go ahead and click on scale option, and from here you need to click on advanced display. Now, you need to simply click on display adapters properties for display 1 over here, and from here you need to click on list all modes. Now you need to go ahead and select the mode that is best for your computer and then click on OK and then click on OK again. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.